back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue slime with hand sanitizer. This is it right here, and I even added some really cool glitter into it. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, here is a brand new slime setup. I still have a bunch of things I'm adding to it. Like I have lighting above here right now. I'm going to be adding a little light right here too. But for now, this is how the setup is. I'm so sorry I haven't uploaded in a little bit. I've been fixing everything up in my slime room. There will also be a slime room tour up very soon, so stay tuned for that. But in today's video, I'll show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe is, of course, hand sanitizer. You can use any type. My favorite, of course, is Bath & Body Works. You can get these at the store or their website. You guys will also need any type of thick soap. I'm using this shampoo. It's a really thick, and it's the Frozen 2 one. You guys will also need a boiler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Okay guys, this recipe is super easy. The soap will act as the glue base. So I'm going to add the soap into here, and the soap is super thick. So that looks like enough. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a hand sanitizer for this. And I think I'm going to use the Twisted Peppermint one, which was actually in the thumbnail of the video. And I'm going to add a few drops into the soap. Not too much, or else it will get super runny. Also, if the soap seems kind of runny, remember to add a little bit more of soap into there. So I'm going to get mixing it up now. Okay, that looks like enough mixing. Also, I love this spoon. It's so glittery. So I'm sorry if you hear any noises upstairs. My family is home. But this is how it looks. It looks a little bit on the runny side, but I did add a little bit more soap. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to mix it up and make sure it's working. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. Okay guys, 2 hours later, here it is. I'm so excited to see how this turned out. Wow, look how clear this is. It's super slimy. Let me get mixing it up. It looks a little weird right now. I don't know what's happening to this. Look how soapy it is. This is from all the soap in the actual slime mixture. But it made a really weird thick slime, which I don't really know why it turned out like this. I thought it'd be a little bit more on the stretchy side, but this is how the no glue slime recipe turned out. It turned out pretty nice. I think I should have added a little bit more soap into there so it wouldn't be so thick and like not really a slime-like texture. But this is how you make a no glue hand sanitizer slime recipe. This recipe turned out really awesome. Remember guys, make sure to use a thicker soap and make sure your hand sanitizer is a good one. Don't add too much of it into there. But this recipe turned out really cool. I'm gonna get mixing it up a little bit more on camera. But here is how you make no glue hand sanitizer slime. I love the color on this. I love the smell. It smells so good with the soap and hand sanitizer mixture. So awesome. But yeah, this recipe turned out great. I'm so happy that I showed you guys this recipe today. Remember, if the comments are turned off on this video, remember to comment on my community page. I always post in there whenever I upload a brand new video. And comment down there if your recipe worked. If it didn't work, I will try to get back to you and give you some helpful ways on how to make your no glue slime recipe turn out better. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I really hope you guys liked it. This is kind of like a normal one I post on my channel, which is no glue slime recipes. But remember to comment on my community page or in the comments down below some new video ideas you guys want me to make. I have a brand new slime room, so I'm so excited to make new content for you guys. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I want to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!